Hi guys, I'm Heena and welcome back to my channel. Super excited to show you how I got this HOLI inspired colorful eye makeup. Neon eye makeup is a huge trend for this spring summer. Only makes sense to create a fun look but on a budget. Got all my beauty stock from Amazon, so without wasting any time, let's start. First things first, after my moisturizer, I like to use a sunscreen, the most important step for your skin all year round. But in summers, you just can't miss it. I'm using the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Sunscreen SPF 50. I've used it for years and needless to say, it works very well. Now I'm going to take my concealer. Using the Maybelline FIT ME Concealer, I'm going to prime my eyes. I like to begin with eye makeup so I can clean all the fallouts before my base makeup. To set this concealer, I'm going to use Sugar Cosmetics All Set to Go Translucent Powder. Now taking Maybelline FIT Me powder in a much darker shade than my skin tone, I'm going to use it as a crease color for my eyes. This will help other eyeshadows to blend easily. All these three products are also something I'm going to use for my face makeup, which makes them multi-purpose. Now for the fun part, taking this super fun colorful palette from Swiss Beauty, I'm going to take this lilac shade and apply that all over my lid. To blend this lilac, I'm going to take a pink shade which I'm going to apply on the crease so that the brown and pink kind of mix. Once I'm happy with all the blending, I'm taking the concealer and a small precise brush, and then I'm going to draw a wing liner with the concealer. On top of this, I'm going to take this bright orange shade so that we have an orange eyeliner. Now this subtle contrast of lilac and orange really gives a fun yet wearable look. Clean all the mess with a wipe. Now I'm taking a curler and curling my lashes. With the Maybelline Hypercurl mascara, apply this thoroughly on your eyelashes. Though this looks good, to add a little something more, I'm going to add some lashes and be back. Time for the base makeup. To prime my face, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray. This acts both as a primer and a setting spray. For foundation, I'm taking the L'Oreal True Match Foundation in the shade 1 and Ivory. Super lightweight and gives like this really nice dewy flawless finish. Blend this foundation super well, and now you can move on to your concealer. For concealer, again using the same Maybelline FIT ME Concealer in the shade 10 Light. Again, blend all of this super well and set all this with the powder that we used earlier to set the eyes. Sugar Cosmetics Translucent Powder. Now taking the Maybelline FIT ME powder that we used on the crease, I'm actually going to use the same product for my contouring to add definition on my face. Again, blend well. If you can't tell, blending is the key for a flawless looking makeup. To add some blush, I'm going to take Ruby Organics Cream Blush. Such a gorgeous shade and so easy to apply. For highlighter, I'm going to use Swiss Beauty Drop and Glow Liquid Highlighter. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Again, after every step, blend. Finally, setting all of this again with my Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray. For the final step, which is the lipstick, I'm going to take Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon Lipstick in the shade Change is Good. To make this more lighter and shinier, I'm going to use the same highlighter on my lips. So if you notice, I like to use the products that are multi-purpose, and I use one product for multi-aspects in makeup. In this way, in a few products, you can still get a full-blown look. Once I was done, I felt like my under eyes was feeling a bit incomplete, so I'm going to take the same orange shade as my eyeliner under my eyes this time. So yes, that's it. This is the final look. Actually, I posted a picture on my Instagram story and you guys absolutely love it. And once I did the look, I felt like it turned out to be quite cool and very easy and achievable in just few steps. This is literally my kind of spring summer makeup. Let me know how you guys like this look, and if you have any more requests, I'm more than happy to do it for you guys. And oh yes, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys very soon.